Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Quba Center is delighted to bring you an exciting spiritual journey for 30 days of Ramadan. With Kit Ramadan, make this Ramadan an unforgettable experience for your children. This unique kit will add a special touch to their Ramadan, featuring the exclusive Ramadan book, from which we will present daily educational episodes, dua cards from the Sunnah morning, and evening adhkar, a special Palestinian tasbih. Engaging coloring activities for kids, a worship tracker poster to encourage good deeds, and many more surprises waiting for you. What will we share with you each day? A hadith to strengthen our faith, a beautiful story full of wisdom and lessons, a sunnah practice to learn and follow, a daily task to bring us closer to Allah, an inspiring Islamic figure from history, a thought-provoking question to enrich your Islamic knowledge, a fascinating fact to expand our understanding of Islam. Ramadan is a golden opportunity for worship, transformation, and getting closer to Jannah. Stay tuned for our daily episodes. Ramadan Mubarak, Quba Center wishes you a blessed and enriching journey filled with light and goodness.